Hi guys, it's Sam from Creatively Sam's. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you stopped by. Today's video is February meal planner and shopping list. If you want to see me do this, stay tuned. It's coming up next. To be honest with you, I haven't done this in a few months, and I honestly don't know why I got away from it. But I realized that I didn't remember when I was making things, and I didn't know if the leftovers were any good or not. So I decided to go back to this, and that way I know what I have, when I made it, and I don't waste stuff. For those of you that have been with me for a while, you know that I print these up. These are actually Word documents, and these are tables. And I have them on my computer all ready to go. The only thing I do is I change the month. And then I fill in the days. And I print these out usually the end of the year so that they're all ready to go. But these are my blank calendars that I do the menus with. This is called my running around list. And since I don't like to shop. That's all there is to it. I really do not like to shop. So I try to get it all done in one day. And I make sure I write down all the stores that I want to go to and the things that I want to get. And if I have to go to the bank, it's on there. If I got to go to the post office, it's on there. Anyway, I'll just be writing in the store and the things that I need that aren't going to be at... I usually shop Walmart, sometimes Aldi's. It all depends on how I'm feeling. But that's the running around list. And there's my shopping list. And like I said, this is already in my computer, and all I have to do is fill out what I need, and I'll write in anything that's not on here. And it saves me so much time. But this is a Word document, and it's a table, and I always have it in my computer. But anyway, I printed all these out. I do 52 or more of the shopping lists, usually 60 to be honest with you, because I do mess up and I do have to shop in between sometimes. And I print out one of these for every month, and I print out one of these for every shopping list. Okay, now all I have to do is decide what I want to get and what I'm going to make. This is Valentine's Day, so I did that in a different color. And there are a couple of recipes that I want to do, and you'll be seeing these in Tasty Tuesday. But definitely want to do stuffed shells. I haven't made these for my son in forever. And I decided that I'm going to treat him. And the grandbaby is really getting into Italian food. So we're going to try these on him. And I do want to make some salmon patties. I haven't made these since, I can't even remember. My mama used to make them, and they were always so good. So I'm going to make sure I put all the ingredients in there. In my shopping list, I'm going to make sure I write them down, and I'm going to get busy. And I'll be back after I have it. Okay, I got my menu done. And I'm doing it a little bit differently. I've kind of decided that one day out of the week will be for a specific meal. Like Sunday, it's always going to be an Italian meal. Spaghetti and meatballs. We've actually got the baby to where he loves it. And he eats to the point where I'm almost afraid he's going to get sick. He just cannot seem to get enough. And he likes it, the angel hair pasta with almost no sauce and cut up meatballs. And he loves it. So Sundays I'm going to stick with the spaghetti pasta type meal. Mondays I'm going to devote to chicken. I really like chicken, and it's something that I can eat without it making me nuts. I have, since I went on the detox soup, and I have been watching what I've eaten, in the last month I have lost 9 pounds. So I'm not doing too bad with this. But I'm going to have chicken and mashed potatoes, corn and green beans. I'll be having the chicken and the green beans. Fried chicken, I will probably make myself some separate chicken, but down here's chicken breasts and home fries. I won't have the home fries. I'll just chop these up in a salad. And I've got pretty much the same thing there, but I'll have green beans or something like that with it. Tuna casserole I'm going to make for the family. Tuesdays I'm going to devote that to some kind of a fish. I'm going to have tuna casserole for the family, and I'll be having tuna salad. This is shrimp, and it's just unbreaded cold shrimp, and my husband and I love it. My son, he can take it or leave it, he'll eat it, but we really love that. And with it I'm going to have broccoli, and he'll have buttered noodles, and I'm going to have the salmon patties and another shrimp with California mix and the buttered noodles for hubby. Wednesdays I'm going to have ground meat, and I'm going to have hamburgers. And it's so weird because when I make hamburgers and green beans, just plain hamburgers and green beans without the buns, I always seem to lose weight, and I don't know why, and it is incredibly filling. So I'll be having, here I have pork and beans on there. On that day I do make them sugar-free. I think I did a Tasty Tuesday on that. I'm not sure. If not, I might have to show you how I do it, because there's like nothing to it, and my son loves it and I love it. Bacon cheeseburgers and tater tots. It's one of my husband's favorites. I'll be having the bacon, crumbled up bacon, and the crumbled up hamburger and mozzarella cheese in my salad. And anytime I make bacon cheeseburgers, that's usually how I have it, is in a salad. And here it is with the french fries. Here it is again with the tater tots, just to make Hanife happy. Thursday, they have changed their band practice night, and pizza is the easiest meal for me to make for them to eat quickly before they have to leave, or if they go right away, then it's easy for me to have when they get back. So I'm going to have pizza on Thursdays. Fridays is going to be soups. I'm going to make veggie soup on the first Friday. Chicken noodle soup and grilled cheese. That's basically for my husband. I can drink the broth with no problem. So I'll have that with a salad. And chicken veggie soup, depending on how I make it, I can eat it. Just leave out the potatoes for me. And chicken noodle soup and grilled cheese again. Like I said, I'll have the broth and a salad. Saturday, macaroni and cheese and hot dogs. The baby loves them. And he's always here on Saturdays and Sundays, so I like to make things that I know he's going to eat. So I'm going to make macaroni and cheese and hot dogs, and I will have a salad. The doctor told me to lay off the hot dogs. There's too much sodium in them, which is driving me crazy because I love hot dogs sliced up in a salad. But she says that I'm retaining entirely too much water, and they've got me on Lasix to get rid of the water, and we're going to fight this as best I can, because it's not healthy to carry around that much water. So that's my February menu. Now, my shopping list. I always keep a card on my, hanging on my cabinet. And anything that I run out of, I just write down real quick. And then when I make up my my list, I have it. So I'm just transferring that over to here. And I've got ground meat. I am running low on that, so I'm going to have to get that. Chicken breast, a whole chicken for the chicken veggie soup. Bacon for the bacon cheeseburgers, and I need a large package of hot dogs. Shrimp, I want to get 2 packages of that. Canned soups, I want to get some for the baby. He likes his ABC vegetable soup, and he likes chicken and stars. So I have to get a couple cans of that for him. I need a thing of the Lipton soup mix. That's my husband's absolute favorite. Green beans, I need at least 4 cans. I think I only have 2. I need a jar of Del Grosso pizza sauce. I need a couple of cans of tomato sauce, a couple cans of tomato paste for the spaghettis. I have some, not enough to last me the month. Chickpeas for my salad. Mushrooms for the veggie soup. Gravy for the buttered noodles because my son really likes gravy with it instead of just butter. Sugar-free pie filling. I've been making a pie usually about once a week, and I'm making some of the Rhodes frozen rolls, and it's a nice treat, and it's a good thing to make in the wintertime, definitely. Sugar-free peaches and sugar-free pears. I eat these every day. They're sweetened with Splenda, and they are actually a Great Value brand, and they are really good. As far as frozen goes, I need veggies. I need corn, broccoli, California mix, and I need some meatballs for the spaghetti night. I have plenty of rolls and bread dough this week. Let's see here. I need macaroni and cheese. Anything is spray Pam. I need ketchup and Dijon mustard, which I am just about out of both of those. And I don't need any Splenda this week, but I want to try monk fruit. And this stuff is incredibly expensive as far as I'm concerned, but it's supposed to be all natural, and it's supposed to be very sweet, and it's not supposed to raise your insulin numbers. So I want to try this. $10 is a little much, but we'll try it. The cats need their cat food, litter. I think I have enough treats for them, not quite sure. I need 3 containers of milk because the baby really went through a lot this weekend. I need my eggs because I have a tendency to almost live on eggs. I need a couple of things of butter. I need mozzarella cheese. Oh, geez. I'm making the stuffed shells, so I need ricotta. Okay, and sugar-free Jell-O pudding. I've always packed that in my husband's lunch. It's really creamy, very rich, and there's no added sugar to it. It's sweetened with Splenda. And the sugar-free Jell-O, I go through this like crazy, and the baby now figured out that if he takes a bite, it wiggles, so he wiggles. It's the cutest thing I've seen. So I always make sure I have extra sugar-free Jell-O now. Pizza dough I have plenty of. That's something that we stocked up on because for a while you could not find it. I need a loaf of bread, hot dog buns, and a hamburger bun. My husband loves the Cheez-It crackers. We actually get the Great Value brand. They're actually lower in sodium, and he really likes them, and that's his go-to snack lately. He's laying off the tortilla, the Tostitos and pretzels he has on occasion, but I usually get them at the Dollar Tree. And chips, too much salt, so we're not doing that anymore. Excedrins, I haven't, God, thank you God, I haven't had a major headache for almost a month. And when I did have it, it lasted 6 days. So I'm a little bit low on the Excedrin, so I'm going to get one of those. Always need the hair dye. As I wrote down on the list, my husband's almost out of his toothpaste and mouthwash, and the baby needs his pull-ups and baby wipes and baby cream, and his electric tablet that he draws on stopped working, and he asked me to get him a new one. I don't know if I'm going to be able to find it because it is a as seen on TV, but hey, I'll look. And I need baby oil. And in produce, I need some salad mix, because I do eat a lot of salads. And tomatoes, cucumbers, potatoes, bananas, carrots, peppers, onions, spinach, and cabbage. I honestly do not need any paper products, surprisingly. And as far as cleaning goes, I just need some air freshener refills. I love the Glade Cashmere Woods, so I always try to get those. The Lysol toilet bowl cleaner, I am just about out of that, so I need that. And I need AAA batteries for baby toys. And Scotch tape. And this is a silicone strip, and I don't even know what they call it, but it fits between the stove and the sink. Or the stove and the counter. And I want to get a new one of those. My running around list. Got to go to the bank. Dollar Tree. The only thing I actually need is some ribbon and some Lay's chips for my son's lunches. And I need to go to Joann Fabrics because I need 3 yards of, it's almost a burgundy crushed velour for a project that I want to get done. But that's about it for my shopping list and getting organized to go shopping. And so having the menu, I'm not going to be throwing away food because I don't remember when I made it. So if you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and happy creating, everyone.